This is Nathaniel Oxford, the Oxford, with a clarinet tutorial video for the band song Hot Cross Buns. Hot Cross Buns is the white belt song in band karate, and we're going to do it 3 times today. First, we're going to say the note names, then we're going to play it on the clarinet, and then we're going to do it with the accompaniment tracks. The accompaniment tracks, all of the backing tracks, are in a link in the video description below. So I would invite you to visit those and to practice with them. A really good thing that comes from practicing with those is, well, number one, it makes it a lot more fun, but also it keeps you going with a steady beat. And even if you make a little mistake along the way, the backing track keeps going. And so it makes you keep going too. And it's really, really good for developing skill on your instrument. Okay, a couple reminders here. Well, a few reminders actually. We should still be practicing with the mouthpiece and barrel. Remember, E in the back of your mouth and oo in the front of your mouth. And that E is going to focus your airflow and the shape of your mouth to produce the best tone on the clarinet. Very centered and resonant, and it's going to keep your playing in tune. So sometimes it takes a while to get that established when you first start playing. So practice this every time you get your clarinet out, but really remember, strive for that really, really high F-sharp tone on it. All right? It'll annoy your brothers and sisters, and that'll be fun too. Okay, when we play, remember, left hand's on top, right hand's on the bottom, and your right thumb and your teeth are what hold up the clarinet. So your right thumb is at the first joint there, the thumbnail joint, under the thumb rest. And I usually cover all the holes, all 6 of these holes on the thumb, put it on my face, and then take off the ones that I don't need. That really helps develop hand position. So I would recommend that. Even if you don't know what the notes are on the pinky keys, practice touching all 7 of them here. So your fingers start getting used to where they're at. And for this song, for Hot Cross Buns, we're going to specifically need the notes E, D, and C. And when I'm demonstrating, I'm going to be lifting my fingers really big so that everybody in my whole band room, right now it's the band room at home, but everybody can see which fingers I have down for which notes. But when I actually play the clarinet, I'm not going to do that because it slows you down and also gives you a big chance to accidentally not put your finger, if your finger's going from here all the way to the hole, you might not get it right on the hole. So the best way to play the clarinet is to take off your fingers only enough to uncover the holes, but keep them right above the holes so they're ready to go down for any note at any moment. When you're playing, you're going to have as much mouthpiece as you can until it almost squeaks, which is about half the mouthpiece. Teeth go on top and soft pillow lip on the bottom. Remember to start each note with your tongue on the reed. The tongue should touch the tip of the reed to start each note. That way it sounds really clean and clear when you start the note. That's a lot to think about, isn't it? Let's go ahead and get started. I want to get the pitches in our ear before we start. It's early in the morning for me, so my singing voice might not be ready to go, but that's okay. It's about learning to play the clarinet. It's not about being the best singer. It's just about learning the clarinet. Here we go. I'm going to say the note names first. 1, 2, ready, go. E, D, C, E, D, C, 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 D, 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 E, D, C. All right, now I'm going to play it. 1, 2. All right, there are a couple notes in there that got a little bit squirrely on me. but that's what happens when you practice it. And so it doesn't have to be perfect every time because we're learning, right? Let's go ahead and add the accompaniment track. Hopefully I'll get the right one this time. Sometimes I click the wrong one and then I'm like, what's going on? Number 16, Hot Cross Buns.
Number 16, Hot Cross Buns.
I just said that, thank you.
1, 2, ready, play.